Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Genshin Impact freeze problem, easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first, just right click here on this bar and click task manager. Now just close all the applications that you don't need, and after that go to details, and once you're here just scroll down until you find Genshin Impact. And as you see, I'm not running Genshin Impact, that's why I can't find it here. Let's say that this is Genshin Impact, just right click on it and click set priority and click high, and that's it, change it. Just click change priority, and that's it. I don't mean to do it to Java. Just do it, scroll down until you find Genshin Impact and right click on it, and you can do it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.